All right, welcome back again. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So, I am here this hour to share something very, very important with you because this group called PUC, PM Epas Unshakable Circle, that's what they call themselves. Although some time ago, that they're kind of mispronunciation or misinterpretation of the full meaning of that. But in the video, Dr. Agi threw more light on that. Dr. Agi, whom many of you know, some time ago, I think when the first time I mentioned this group here on this platform, I made it clear to you that the first place I saw the name and the person that actually made a post and talk about it at all is Dr. Agi. So Dr. Agi also decided to throw more light on this name and the meaning of the job of this group. I felt like because of my recent video on this particular group, that could be what prompts Dr. Agi to step up to throw more light on this. I'm just saying because I tried to figure out why talking about it now and why using the name to all it may concern. Because I see she put to, meaning that she is addressing this to anybody that it cares on. I understand. I know how the whole thing because everybody wants to hold, their prestige and maintain their boundary. I understand that. This is not. I'm not here to attack Dr. Agi, but I'm here to just to let you know what she said, even though I have something to say, but I may not say that because of the circumstances and for a particular reason. But let's go. Let's see how the whole thing will roll because I am not here, like I told you, to attack anybody. But if you have noticed, most of the time, most of the time, what I do here is to air my opinion on issue that is at hand and to let you know what I feel about that. And I've never for once command you or instruct you or compare you to do something that ordinarily you wouldn't have done that. But telling you this is what I see about this is what I say about that is what I do. Then you can now go on and make your final decision. Dr. Agi, she's the one that made the first post to talk about this PUC group. And the first time I saw that, I wasn't comfortable with that. Even now, I'm still not comfortable with that. But I'm just telling you that reason why I talked about it because I see it as an unnecessary move. I see that as an unnecessary move. But one thing about our people is that they always find a way to attach anything that they know that you will encounter, to appear as if you are kind of attacking, you're attacking what you shouldn't have attacked or what you shouldn't have talked about, or they're just going to make that to become a way of you to blackmail you emotionally. You understand? Because if you talk about it the way you're supposed to talk about it, it may appear that you are against people or group or someone that you shouldn't have even encounter anything that concerns that person, meaning that they will emotionally blackmail you that you are not doing what you're supposed to do and all that. That's why sometimes when you see this kind of thing, you have to calm down to distance yourself somehow and just keep your eyes on that and see how the whole thing will unfold. Now, the group, the Unshakable Circle, they felt like, okay, PM is in prison and he needed help, he needed support and all that. They are going to help. So that's what they want us to believe, that is about helping PM legal process. When you hear that, of course, it's a nice thing, right? It's a very good thing to get involved with because this has to do with PM being released and giving him the helping hand that he needs for his legal case and for him to conquer the people who believe that he can never see the surface of it anymore. So that is why I felt like talking about the group or going hard on them a little bit may be a kind of maybe seen or misinterpreted as an act of sabotage, which I wouldn't want to anybody to feel like that at all. But the thing is that why I have issue with the group is so for so many reasons, which I may mention, just a few of them. First thing first, the people that hire the lawyer, who are they? Who are there? Because last time I checked, PM has faced this trial, the first trial. The same group of people are the one that, you know, that organized or supported PM. They were there representing, and they are the one that make sure that no other person will come get close. You were gonna doubt. You say no, no, no. How did you know? Don't believe that I've listed. Ejinisi arụ ama ụtọ nsị. Otu arụ si esi ka ị ga-esi mana ka nsị ga-esi tọ gị n'ọnụ. Meaning that you don't just overlook some characters, some attitude that is in the public. We know what they can do. We know how they roll. Now, the same group of people who claim they are the one in charge of legal process of PM in first trial, are the one now blocking everywhere, if I'm not mistaken, claiming that they are the one in charge of the second this appeal. What has changed? Have they didn't admit the first error, the one that made mistake in the first place? You may not understand it, but that's how I feel. Now again, what is that thing that have changed from the first trial to this appeal coming up in a moment from now? What has changed? What is that thing they have learned from the first one? Do they learn anything? If they do, what is that? Why are you expecting people to invest their trust and love on them when they have not changed anything? Remember, you can't talk about what happened today, the creation of fractions and enmity, anxiety, problem here and there without mentioning him. He is the one that fronted himself. He used to come out every now and then to talk about Biafrans, to talk to Biafrans, just to propagate Ogekere as the right man to carry on for no just reason. A man of his age is supposed to know, he's in position to know that DPM, COS, without being told, should be the person in charge. But these guys, they don't want to work under anybody. They want to be, they prefer to work hand in hand than to have somebody on top. So are we here to massage ego or to get something, to do the right thing to get what you want to get? If you are here for ego, then I can understand that you can never work under somebody. But if you are not for ego and you think that you can massage ego, but somehow you are promoting somebody who is filled with ego, then what are you? You cannot deny the fact that this man and his group are the one that started dishing out some fake memo, claiming something that never exists, lying to their friends, making promises. Every weekend he will come out and talk. When last did you see him? After he must have done what he thinks that he's going to help their friends. Now he's not hiding. Anybody that have issue with another person, they will not go to remember them and fall back. The question is, how long are you going to believe like that? Because I know why I'm asking this. You know what? Let's quickly go to her post. Let's see what she actually made, what she said. And if you have something to say about it, we are going to say it. But please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Like I told you, I'm not here to attack her, but I'm here to separate Paul from Barnabas. Pay close attention. This is the post, as you can see here on the screen. This is from Princess AG, that is Dr. Princess Aggie. All right, we'll go 247 reposted it already. And when did she make this post? Of course, today. Now, let's go through it one by one. Today's date, Monday, May 11, 2026. To all it may concern. From PUC, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa UnShakeAble Circle. For clarity, the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa UnShakeAble Circle, PUC, is not a Biafran agitation group. Are you following? PUC was established with a specific purpose to support the American attorney's legal services for Brigadier Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Okay? I'm coming back to this, okay? Just pay attention. PUC does not collect or retain donors, meaning that PUC does not collect or retain donors' money. They don't literally saying that they don't touch money. That all anything about what they're doing is they will encourage you, beg you, give you channel where to donate the money. They get it. PUC encourages all volunteer donors to make their donation directly through the official designated legal services donation website. Okay, this is ipobus.org/support. Here, PUC role canvas for donors, assure supporters that assure supporters that donations are used for their intended purpose. Many supporters ask, will this donation truly go towards the American attorney's fees? Transparency protects the trust of donors whose sacrifices are made in good faith. PUC is principle-driven, committed to responsible advocacy. Thank you, and may wisdom, unity, and truth continue to guide those entrusted with position of service. Prince A.G. Dr. Agi for PUC. Then again, she furthered this by saying, note, for the record, previous posts made by PUC on this X account were published on Saturday, May 2nd, 2026, Sunday, April 12, 2026, Friday, March 27, 2026, Wednesday, March 2025, Wednesday, March 25, 2026, Thursday, March 19, 2026. Now, here, there's a flyers, designed by the same group, PUC, and with a video of PM here and all that. I don't want to talk about the video, but it reminds me of something. You remember when if I used to say that mass can is what is word? That mass American is I forgot the word, like he's living fine, that he's okay, that he don't have any problem in prison. You know what I mean? That's literally what they're trying to say here. And because of what I just said now, watch the video. Just that's what happened here. That's what they put here. Yeah, there we go. Just a moment. Just a moment. That's what happened here. Let me see if I can pause it and throw more light on that. Like what they said here, when they think this is supposed to be there, okay? When they think I'm crying in prison, so some of them are enjoying that, meaning that PM is enjoying in the prison. That's what. Like last time I heard this is from Ifa Ejofo, and I'm not gonna say anything again about this. Now let's go back to the write-up. Okay. I am not saying people should not donate for PM's legal team. I'm not here to tell you no, don't donate. That's not what the purpose of this video. I am not here to discourage you not to donate money to PM legal team. I'm not here to do that. As long as they say it's for PM, I don't have any reason to counter it. But what would be ideal if truly if you don't stand on your word, if you receive money and claim it for PM, then I don't know. I cannot lay costs. But what I'm saying is that let us trade with caution. Now, I'm not saying this to Dr. Agi. Dr. Agi may be doing what she's doing, maybe because this group, maybe with a pure conscience, or just to sabotage. It is possible. But the truth of the matter is that the warning goes to the people that are the account holders, people that are holding the accounts. Okay? they are the one that this message is going to. If you collect those money and you are using it, because I'm not sure, I don't know who is in charge of this account or whoever, but all of them, I don't trust any of them. Is it the one that was in charge of ID card, Prince, I think Prince Ego? That one have questionable character? Is it? I don't know. I am not going to say after I feel gonna midnight. Is it who? Is it the one the one that owned the website that denied the USB government Biafran's website, who hijacked it and run with Ogenkere and later now depart from Ogenkere? His name is Azubike. Is it Azubike? Who is in charge of the account? I'm just asking. And that I'm asking does not mean that I'm discouraging you from making payment. I'm just saying that that is when Dr. Agi and whoever that formed this group, because of course, if you ask me, I will tell you that the group was formed by Dr. Agi. I'm not saying that this is what it is. I'm just telling you what my feelings, okay, what I felt like, what I think, not that I have verified or done my investigation and she's the one. I'm just telling what my instinct is telling me. So whoever that is behind the formation of the PUC and whatever, whoever that is running the affairs of the PUC should understand that in as much as you claim you don't touch money, but telling people to go and put money where the money may not be accounted for is somehow suspicious, and that is where your integrity, your identity comes in. This is not to say that you creating this group is best idea. It is not the best idea, but you mentioning PM there is just to kind of attach emotional blackmail sort of stuff, which I don't want to get involved to. But the truth of the matter is that what is that thing that you see in anything that has to do with the Mamada and their group that made you to, push to them, go to them and all that? That is where the issues start from. And I am saying this because I believe that many people, or thousands of Biafrans, or millions of Biafrans are aware of this. We always count on what happened to other people and what people have done to us to know what the person could do more. If you think that forming the group is the best idea, so be it. But what is the group all about? Because you did not form it and stand on your own, but you still attached to people that have done something that is questionable. That is where I have issue with the whole thing. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying, because I don't want to sound strange. Honestly speaking, I have many things to say about this post. But for the sake that they said that the group is for PM legal process and legal team, and I cannot be a stumbling block to anything that has to do with PM release. That's why anybody that I notice that is serving as a stumbling block to PM release, I will run away from you. That is not the fact. So having said this, I'm not going to further anything about this thing. I just want to share with you that Dr. Agi have come up. She decided to throw more light about the group, what this group is all about, and who is behind the group. What do you think? Maybe there's something I don't know. Let me know in the comment section about this group. But to me, I don't feel comfortable with the entire system. That is my own opinion. But let's see. Let's hear from you. What is your opinion? And please make sure that the video and put your comments. Subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Please. See you again. Bye-bye for now.